Hey. It's been a minute. It's been like a week since I came live, and I told you guys I wanted to go live more. So I feel like this is better than the amount of time from the last live to the live before, because that was like months. So I'm gonna wait for some people to jump on. And I have a good, just making sure I was in the right spot. I have a really good topic for today. Part of it is in my blog post that I posted yesterday. So if you haven't checked that out, make sure you head over to Beyond the Berry. Check out the blog post. It is specifically called Finding Consistency in Your Business, because, give me some of these emojis. We all need some consistency in our life, whether you're working your business or your hobby part-time or you're working full-time. I know a lot of us are working kind of in the pockets of time that we have. Even I do this full-time, and I still work in the pockets of my life, because you know what? I do this because I want to revolve it around the things that I want to do. So, consistency. I'm gonna wait a second. 'Cause Facebook, I feel like Facebook takes a lot longer these days to notify people that I'm here. People want to watch me. It's lunchtime too. Well, if you're on the West Coast. I'm drinking coffee. Side note and tangent, I have learned and started loving black coffee. It's like, who am I? But I crave it every day. So also, if you're watching the replay, make sure you hashtag replay and leave me a comment. I'd love to connect with you. So let me share this. So 2 C's, consistency and control. So funny that you have control over the consistency in your business, but we often like to blame other people, things, outside scenarios for why we're not where we want to be in our business. So consistency is huge, showing up every single day to your business, whether it's 10 minutes a day, whether it's 8 hours a day, but doing things that are moving the needle forward. So I had a really great conversation the other day with a friend named Leah, and we were talking about busy, and that a lot of people are in this state of mind where we're just busy, and it's almost like who's competing to be the busiest. But busy isn't necessarily mean that you're rocking it out in life, right? Because you could be doing things like scrolling, you could be doing things like looking at Insta stories. Hello. Sometimes I get caught up in looking at Insta stories, and I look down and it's been 20 minutes and I'm like, oh my gosh. So consistency is working those things in your business that are going to move the needle. So if you are in the direct sales world and you are selling a product, whether it be mascara, whether it be lips, whether it be hair, whatever it is, how do you find customers who want to buy your products? Well, it's reaching out and creating those relationships. So how are you doing that consistently every single day to make sure that you're always adding new people into your funnel, into your sales pipeline, into your kind of relationship pipeline? If you are more in network marketing and you rely on those relationships also, great. How often are you spending time going out and finding these new relationships so that you can be friends with people and you can really understand? I think the pool guy's here. And you can really understand. It's about to get crazy in my house. This is real life, people. Where is it talking about? I may have to resume this. But finding those pockets of time where you're really going to be able to move that needle forward. So that's consistency, working every single day, even when you don't want to, and working on those things that are going to be most important. And then on the other spectrum of things, control. What are you doing that you absolutely have control over? So you have control over how many people you're reaching out to. You don't have control over if they say yes, they want to meet you for coffee, or yes, they want to take a look at your products, but you have control over getting the message out of what you're doing, that you would love to connect. You have control over asking people to have parties for you, asking people over for a tasting, or asking people to a party that you might be hosting. So the more people that you can get in front of, the more chances of you finding that success in your business. So control and consistency really work together, because if you're controlling the things that you can manage daily, and you're doing them daily consistently, you're going to move your needle and you're going to move your business forward. So just wanted to pop in, make sure if you found value in this, give it a like, give it a comment. I'd love to hear what you think, and share it with your team or your friends. And make sure you head over to the blog, beyondtheberry.com, and check out the new blog post on consistency. I give you, I think, 6 or 7 tips for how I consistently work my business every single day. So if I only have 15 minutes, what am I doing with those 15 minutes to move that needle? So hope you guys have a great day, and I look forward to popping on soon.